Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
In a significant turn of events, US presidential nominee Joe Biden has named US Senator Kamala Harris as his vice presidential running mate. This is significant because this is in history of the United States. For the first time, a black woman has been nominated on a major party's presidential ticket. Harris, a 55-year-old senator from the state of California, whose father is an African origin from Jamaica and mother is from India. She has often been called a trailblazer by former President of the United States, Barack Obama. The announcement was made by Biden on Tuesday in a message to his voters, putting an end to days of suspicion as to who his vice presidential nominee would be. The presidential elections are going to happen on November 3rd, and it will be a tightly fought US presidential election ever in the history of the United States. In a message to his reporters, Biden on Tuesday stated, "I have chosen Kamala Harris as my running mate. Together with you, we are going to beat Trump." He also said, "We will be the best partner," as in Joe Biden and Harris will be the best partner, and it will be a great initiative for him to finally get the country back on track. The Biden campaign, meanwhile, also said Joe knows more than anybody else about vice presidency and that it will be a significant development to have Kamala Harris as his vice president. Reacting to the development, US President Donald Trump stated that he was surprised that Biden will be selecting Kamala Harris as his vice presidential mate, despite knowing how nasty and disrespectful Kamala has been towards Biden when she was running for the presidential race. Trump also reminded the US voters of Harris's own presidential campaign, which was launched by her in January 2019. However, for some financial reasons and other factors, she could not take it forward, and finally, by the end of that year, she had to call it off. As far as Kamala is concerned, she is a big tax raiser, she is a big slasher of funds for our military, and she's got a lot of difficult things that she's going to have to explain, is what Donald Trump had stated. On the other hand, Vice President Mike Pence said, "As you all know, Biden and Democratic Party have been overtaken by the radical left. So given their promises of higher taxes, open borders, socialized medicine, and abortion on demand, it's no surprise that he chose Harris." The vice presidential debate, meanwhile, will take place between Mike Pence and Kamala Harris on October 7th. It will be, as I said, a tightly fought elections, one which will see whether Donald Trump can make it for the second term and how the relationship is going to be between US and India at a crucial strategic time when China's increasing belligerence is going to affect the region, and India and US are looking forward to take forward the Indo-Pacific Strategic Initiative and the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. For The Print, this is Nainima Basu. Do subscribe to The Print's YouTube channel.